guys, welcome back to my channel. So how are you all? So today what I'm going to do, I'm going to do some experience with my hair. As you can see, this is my new haircut, and in Lucknow there's a salon of one of my friends, so I went there yesterday, and I do my haircut. And so I'm gonna do one more experiment with my hair. So now you can see my hair color is like this. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to try this hair color. I have used this hair color earlier as well, and I like it too much. It doesn't uh, ruin your hair. So this is from Streets Ultra Highlights Highlighting Kit, and my color is cappuccino brown. If you can see, cappuccino brown. And if we talk about price, it's 160 rupees. And if we talk about shelf life, manufacturing date is January 2020, and expiry date is October 22. And it comes with blonder powder, colorant developer, conditioner, instruction, leaflet, coloring brush, highlighting brush, and gloves. So let's get started. There is steps mentioned like how to use. If you are using it first time, you can go through with these steps. Otherwise, if you used already, तो आप लोगों को पता ही होगा. So let's open this. So we have this kind of packet. This is developer, and this is your colorant, and there is a brush. Okay, this is the brush. So apart from that, we have this highlighter brush with no use, and this is step 1. If you see, this is step 1, and this is step 2. And apart from that, one leaflet. If you are using hair color first time, you have to go through with this, and kindly do patch test. This is my suggestion. Gloves, and this is Ultra Shine conditioner, two sachet of Ultra Shine conditioner. So box is empty now. So what I'm going to do, I just want to try something different. So I'm gonna skip this step 2, and this blonder, I'll apply only blonder, and then we will see कि क्या color आता है, what color effects comes onto my hair. So today I'm just going to do step 1. I'm going to skip step 2 because I like this wala color very much. So let's get started. I forget one thing before applying these these colors. Change your dress, change you can wear any top which like आपका खराब हो गया है, otherwise आपने कोई भी अच्छा ड्रेस पहना है that will खराब हो जाएगा. तो I'm going to change from this to this because I like this top. You can see I like the sleeves, so I like this top, and I'm going to change from this to this, and after that I'll apply the color. So, and apart from that, you need one more thing to apply color, that is this foil paper to wrap your hair to get अच्छा वाला effect. So you need one aluminum foil as well before applying color. If you don't have that, make sure to purchase that. So I'm going to change this, and till then just wait for me. So guys, I suggest you to wear gloves, but I'm not comfortable to wear gloves. That is why I'm like using the color without gloves. So what I do, I take small parts of my hair, and I put this color. But I suggest you to wear gloves. Please don't copy me. I have used this color earlier 2-3 times, and I find it's quite safe, and it doesn't harm your hair much if you care your hair properly. I'm sorry. it is a long process, so I think I have no right to waste all of your time. So I'll do one thing, I'll just apply like this. I'm telling you the way, like with one of my friends, so you can do like this, and I'll come back after applying color onto all my hair. So till then, just bye. देख सकते हो मैंने लगा लिया है. आई एम डन विद लाइक अप्लाइंग द हेयर कलर, एंड इतना अमाउंट बच भी गया है क्योंकि मैंने बहुत थोड़ा थोड़ा ही लगाया है, बिकॉज आई डोंट वांट दैट मच ऑफ हाईलाइटेड कलर. ओ माय गॉड, यहाँ पे कुछ लग गया है, तो मैं इसको ठीक कर लेती हूँ. टिल देन आई विल कैच यू आफ्टर वॉशिंग माई हेयर, एंड आई हैव टू वेट फॉर 35 to 40 minutes, and after that I'll wash my hair, then I'll get back to you. So till then, goodbye. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm done with my hair color, and I have dried my hair. So you can see this is the bleach only. I haven't applied any colorant. If you want to see, one second, let me show you. So this is the second step, developer and colorant. It is still remaining, and I'm not using it. I like my hair like this only with the bleach. So this is my hair color. If you want to apply only bleach, you will get this kind of effect. You can see, you can get this kind of effect overall, and I like this color much better, because earlier I have used all the steps which is like they're given in this packet, but right now I'm using this only. So this is my final look. Do let me know in the comments section below, do you like this hair color? If yes, please do let me know. This is the full look. One second. So this is the full look. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.